1. The power of silence. The quiet ones watch when everyone talks. They move when everyone sleeps. And one day, the world realizes the person they ignored was always the most powerful. Never underestimate a silent person. Silence isn't weakness, it's strategy. The silent person studies you, learns you, and outgrows you without saying a single word. In a noisy world where everyone shouts for attention, silence becomes the loudest strength. Power doesn't always roar. Sometimes, it whispers. 2. The mind of the silent. Silent people think before they speak and act before they're seen. While others react, they reflect. They study people not to impress but to understand. They can sense energy, moods, and intentions long before others do. Psychologists say silent minds process information deeply. That's why they rarely make impulsive mistakes. They control emotion instead of being controlled by it. Silence is not emptiness, it's intelligence in disguise. As Lao Tzu once said, silence is a source of great strength. Every group has that one quiet member, the one who listens more than they speak. They're often underestimated until it's too late. In war, the best generals never reveal their plans. In business, the richest minds stay out of the spotlight. In relationships, the most loyal people speak less and do more. Silence hides power because when no one knows what you're thinking, they can't stop you. The silent strategist doesn't announce moves, they execute them. 3. Silent revenge and strength. Silent people don't argue. They don't shout. They don't need to prove a point. They take every insult, every rejection, and turn it into fuel. While the loud ones waste energy on anger, the silent ones build empires in the background. Silence is the calm before transformation. You may laugh at a silent person now, but one day, you'll work for them. Because their revenge isn't loud, it's success. Look at Elon Musk, quiet, focused, often mocked. But while others laughed, he built rockets and electric cars. Look at Albert Einstein, humble, soft-spoken, often ignored. But his silence hid a universe of genius. Even history's greatest leaders understood the power of calm. Nelson Mandela and Mahatma Gandhi, both silent, both unshakable. The loud ones fade, the calm ones create change that lasts forever. 4. Using silence as power. You don't need to talk to prove yourself. You need to act with purpose. Silence gives you clarity. It helps you see what others miss. Listen before reacting. Observe people's patterns. Speak only when your words will create impact. Master emotional control, and let your results speak for you. The more you control your words, the more power your silence holds. One day, they'll ask when you changed. But the truth is, you were always different. You were just silent. While they talked, you were building. While they doubted, you were learning. And now, your silence has become your strength. Stay quiet, work hard, shock everyone. 5. The final message. Never underestimate a silent person, especially the one staring back at you in the mirror. Silence is your weapon. Self-control is your victory. If this message spoke to your soul, hit the like button and subscribe to Silent Hustle. Because silence isn't weakness, it's the voice of power. Remember, silence is not empty. It's full of answers. Be silent, be smart, be unstoppable.